I saw a girl brought to life. She was warm, she came around, she was dignified. She showed me what it was to cry. You couldn't be that girl I adored. You don't seem to know or seem to care or what your heart is for. But I don't know her anymore. There's nothing left, I used to cry. My conversation has run dry. That's what's going on. Nothing's fine, I'm torn. I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel. Cold and I am chained. I'm lying naked on the floor. Illusion never changed into something real. Wide awake and I.
Wala ko nagingon ana ba?
Ay, sa mag-video?
Wala man picture man ni.
Awa, sana kayo mag-practice
Oh
ako.
sige, wala.
Sakit.
Naro, gabong nga bata niya.
Don't get it out of there.
Si Pagi.
Ito. Mo din na. Na may parallel pipe diyan nakabutang.
Itong gamiton kay rectangular.
Katawa mo ni ko. Kasi ni mo anali.
Rectangular ba?
Oh, rectangular. Uy, yun sa lagi ang giingon ni mo. Mana maka sa
Lo.
volume mo parallelo pipe dagan.
Kuan kay lahi ra ba akong i-explain?
Dagan magud kay klase nga parallelo pipe noy. Dagan sila. Nya isa ra lugay mo explain.
Rectangular ra to explain.
Maglagot ra ba dayon ko? Mala kay. May kamo to game mo.
Rectangular parallelepiped has all its bases and faces are rectangles. So we have a book here which is our solid figure,
Ayun nga na yung mga accent.
which is
Relax.
our solid figure.
Oh, nga na ba?
This face here is, oh no,
Wow. so magingala ka.
it's we're gonna practice go.
Wow,
Its
magaling.
face here.
His face.
This face is
Plain na lang.
rectangle, and so as these faces here, and its bases are also rectangles, right?
Ako na lang himog script be.
And yun, madugay ta, samot na pa ikaw mag-imog script. And so nawala na ko tong itulo ni Arnel, ko ba din ako ganun. Kani mo itong basa. A parallelepiped is a prism whose bases as well as lateral faces are parallelograms. Lahi ni siya kay kani.
Asa diya?
Nag-video na agad ka ba baka mga pagmalubat na wa tabla.
Ready na ka.
Lagi uy, balik-balik ganiya po si Kibon.
Okay, okay na.
Suot na.
Usugin na. Hindi lang makatra man.
Kapo kay ko ba?
Sige, pilon ko na.
Yaw.
Sige, mong tingog ka.
Ina. Good day everyone. By the way, I am Rayan Miko F. Canoy, yours truly, and our cameraman over there, Mr. Mark Anthony Halop, my partner. So we are here to discuss to you patroloy. Nakalimot ko students, pero tuguan mo. Okay, good morning students. By the way, I am Rayan Miko F. Canoy, and I am here to discuss to you how to get the volume of a parallelepiped. And by the way, I am with my partner, Mr. Mark Anthony Halop over there, our cameraman, in which he is going to be with me through this activity or this lesson. So now, first, I am going to discuss to you what is a parallelepiped. So, a parallelepiped is a prism whose bases and lateral faces are parallelogram. So first, let me ask you, do you know what is a parallelogram? I guess so that you still don't know what it is, or maybe you have lacking auto tagad kay na ano ko na sa
Saya nga to eh.
So now we are going to get the width of this book, which is a parallelepiped. So here. We are going to use centimeter. So as what you can see, we have 21 centimeter, which is our width. So let's get the yawa mga girl.